Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses that don't just improve your vision but transform the way you interact with the digital world. That's the promise Xiaomi is making with its upcoming 2025 smart glasses, and the tech world is buzzing with excitement. These aren't just another wearable, they're aiming to be the perfect blend of style, function, and innovation. If you've been curious whether smart glasses are finally ready for everyday life, this review will cover everything you need to know. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the channel where we bring you deep dives, reviews, and all the latest in technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Xiaomi Smart Glasses 2025, breaking down their specifications, performance, and whether they're worth your attention. Stick around, because by the end, you might be considering swapping out your regular frames for something smarter. Under the hood, these glasses are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. The micro-OLED lenses deliver crisp visuals with up to 3000 nits of brightness, ensuring they work indoors and outdoors. Battery capacity is around 1000 mAh, optimized for all-day use. On paper, these specs already push Xiaomi ahead of many rivals. Design-wise, Xiaomi has kept them sleek and lightweight at under 70 grams. They look like stylish eyewear, not sci-fi headsets. The frames use titanium and durable polycarbonate, with touch-sensitive areas for controls. Prescription-ready lenses make them practical for daily use, which is a huge plus. The display experience is sharp and vibrant. Notifications, navigation prompts, and translations appear clearly without blocking your vision. Adaptive brightness keeps visuals comfortable in different environments. Watching short videos or making calls feels natural and immersive. Performance is smooth, thanks to the XR2 chip. Multitasking works flawlessly, whether you're checking directions, responding to messages, or using voice commands. Real-time translation is a standout feature, instantly converting text in your field of view, perfect for travelers. Gesture recognition adds another layer of convenience. Battery life is decent at 8 to 10 hours of active use, with over a day on standby. Fast charging gives 50% in about 20 minutes, keeping downtime minimal. While not smartphone-level endurance, it strikes a balance for daily wear. For entertainment, the glasses support lightweight AR gaming and creative tools like overlaying 3D models. Audio comes through directional open-ear speakers, delivering clear sound while keeping things private. Dual noise-canceling microphones make calls sharp, even in noisy areas. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, with stable pairing and low-latency streaming. You can even cast your AR interface to bigger screens. Pricing is expected around $799 to $899, making them far more affordable than many competitors. For the blend of design, features, and performance, that's impressive value. Pros include sleek looks, crisp displays, smooth performance, real-time translation, and competitive pricing. Cons are limited gaming power, decent but not exceptional battery life, and likely regional availability issues at launch. So, what's the verdict? Xiaomi's 2025 smart glasses don't just feel like a cool gadget, they feel practical. They blend everyday style with genuinely useful features, pushing AR glasses closer to mainstream adoption. They may not be perfect, but they're easily among the most compelling wearable releases this year. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, your trusted source for the latest reviews and insights. If this breakdown helped you see the future a little more clearly, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay tuned with Tech Vibe.